I do a Mike Innovative door, 2 9x7, 3200 long panel white, top cross insulated window, pinch resistant, matching weather strip to the door, seals up nice, all the way on the side and top. Lift up the doors here, show you the, if you watched our videos, you know you get a 3.5 inch bottom rubber. You get nylon skirted wheels, lift handle, step plate, 11 gauge hardware, nice heavy duty top fixture, dual cycle springs, or dual springs on a 9-foot, 8-foot, 10-foot door. We've been doing that for like 8 years now. Rolls better that way. Rolls evenly. Uneven wear on the end bearing drum and cable is done away with by doing that. We got a nice operator angle mount here with, of course, a lock nut. We had to rehook these on some old Chamberlain screw drives, but that's what it is. Insulated top glass. And that's the door, 8.7 R value, innovative garage door. For all your garage door needs, give us a call, 630-673, or excuse me, 630-271-9343, www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Like us on Facebook and we'll like you. Thank you for watching our video, and as always I encourage everybody to praise the Lord. Thanks for watching our 2 9x7 garage door Hormann 3200 video.